10 days ago, this cucumber plant was a third of the size. I will insert a picture here so you can see what it looks like. I now have a full-grown cucumber in here, and I have a handful of other ones that are starting to come in. And I attribute my success on my cucumber as well as the full garden to this sprinkler right here. I absolutely love this thing. Let me show you how it works and all of the features that you can use to adjust it. Have a smaller yard or a raised garden bed or anything that you're just looking to add a sprinkler to, this is definitely worth checking out. I loved it so much that I bought 2 of them. This is the one with the base. You can kind of see it in here, but I'll give you a closer look at what that looks like. And I also bought the one with the spike that sticks into the ground, and that one is in my front yard. I'll also show you what that one looks like. So this is the sprinkler up close. It has a base which helps it balance and just stay put. It is pretty sturdy. It's not going to fall over in the wind or anything. There are so many elements to this that you can adjust. These top switches here go back and forth super easily, and that just adjusts how wide your water is going to spray. So you can have both of them open and have a super wide stream. You can close one and have it focused on one side or the other, or you can have them both closed and have a really narrow stream, which is what I use for my garden bed because it is a very narrow area that I'm trying to water. The other feature that I really like is down here. So this switch adjusts how far the sprinkler head moves down when it oscillates back and forth. There's one on each side. So I can set exactly the width of my garden bed here just by moving this up and down. And then I'm not wasting any water by having it go past my raised garden bed. I know that everything is going to be focused solely in here. It also has this switch down here, which opens or closes the amount of water that is actually coming through the sprinkler. And of course, the entire head itself rotates 360 degrees. So you can set this to any direction that you want without ever having to move the base. The hose attaches right here, it just screws right in. And on the other side, we have an extra port. I have this closed, but if you do want to connect more than one sprinkler to make a full system, you absolutely can do that. So let me go turn it on and show you what these settings look like in practice. This is what it looks like on. This dial down here adjusts the water pressure. So right now it is all the way on low, but if I bring you over here and I turn this knob all the way up, you can see just how much that shot up and how far it is now shooting out. Okay, let me show you what high power looks like. You probably can't even... Woo! I'm getting wet all the way over here. Okay, that's enough of that. Back to low. Those dials on the side adjust how far over the water is spraying. So this is all the way up. It really just comes all the way vertical and then back down to the other side. Now I just pushed it all the way down. So we'll see the water go all the way in this direction. And of course you can adjust it anywhere in between those two settings. But you can see it is going exactly into my garden bed as far as my garden bed goes. And then the same thing on this side, all the way down to the edge of my garden bed. I love that I can adjust separately the distance on either side, so it doesn't have to be specifically in the middle. Now I'll move you over here to hopefully show you the width settings. This is the narrowest that the water will spray. I can also just easily open up the side pieces here. Woo! And you can do one or the other. So now I have it wide on that side and narrow on this side. It doesn't actually close off any of the water outlets. It just moves them further apart or closer together. So like I said, this sprinkler has totally saved my garden. I no longer have to stand out here with a hose making sure that all of my plants get some water. So if you're in the market for a sprinkler, I highly recommend this one. It is so versatile. It is so easy to adjust all of the settings. It's perfect for my smaller garden box or for a larger yard, as you saw with the adjustments to the water distance and width. And like I said, I liked this one so much that I bought 2 of them. Then as promised, this is the one that we have in our front yard. You can see it doesn't have a base, but it does have this spike that sticks in the ground. You can see here up close what happens when I adjust right here where the water is spraying. The top just swivels. Here we can adjust the power. And on the sides is how far to either side you want the sprinkler head to go. And same thing on this side. I love this sprinkler. Obviously my plants have been loving this sprinkler. I absolutely recommend it to anyone who's in the market.